Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the frame mockup in PIxlr. First, go to PIxlr.com in any web browser, PIxlr.com. It's going to give you a couple of options. We'll click on Playful Pixlr X, and then we'll click on this Open Image button to open the mockup. And you'll have 6 different JPEGs with the different backgrounds. So just select the one you want and then click Choose. It's going to give you a message asking if you want to resize it. We don't want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply. Now we want to add our design to the frame. So we'll just click this bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when we hover over it. Click on that. And it'll give us several options to add the image. We'll click Browse to get it off our computer. And it's going to ask us whether we want to create a new document or add it to the current document. We'll click Add Current, and it's just going to add it as a second layer in our Layers panel here. You might want to size it up or down. To do that, just hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then click and drag on any one of these 4 corners here. Clicking and dragging in makes it smaller, dragging out makes it bigger. And when you've got that sized about right, you can click on the image and just drag it into place. And then you're done. You just need to click the Save button at the bottom here. If you want to use it as a thumbnail on sites like Etsy or other sites like that, you want to save a JPEG version. I change the quality to 100 and make sure it's on high, and then click Download. And it's just going to let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder on the device, and it'll give you the option to change where that folder is if you want to. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the frame mockup. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And please remember that this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a wonderful night.